Trends that are good. Hi, I'm Kim with Meeker Realty Group. Have you delayed your plans to buy a house because of how competitive the market was over the past few years? If so, hear this. Today's market is different. Here's a look at 3 trends that are good news for today's home buyers. Number 1, you have more homes to choose from. Since the same time last year, the number of homes for sale is up roughly 50%. So finding what you're looking for today isn't nearly as hard as it would have been a year ago. Number 2, bidding wars have eased. In just 1 year, the average number of offers on a home dropped from 3.7 to 2.4 or less in some areas. That means you may face less intense competition from other buyers now. And number 3, you have more negotiating power. 92% of recent sellers negotiated with buyers on things like lower prices, home repairs, and even covering closing costs. With these 3 trends, you have got something to be excited about. So if you're ready to kick off the home buying process, let's talk. Until then, make it a great day.